dawn of an independent India. Today, as we breathe the air they dreamed of, we bow not merely to history. Honored guests, dear parents, our esteemed teachers, and my fellow students. Students,
Mrs. Mary Jyotsna Minch, Deputy Director.
today, through this humble tribute, we seek not merely to remember these forgotten heroes, but to celebrate the idols they left behind.
की चुप पन्नों में कुछ किस्से अब भी सोते हैं, कुछ चेहरे यादों से खोए पर दिलों में अब भी होते हैं। जब मातृभूमि ने पुकारा कुछ वीर यूं आगे आए, नाम नहीं थे जग के होठों पर इतिहास अमर बन जाए। जब अन्याय ने सर उठाया, जब डर ने सबको रोका था, तब एक अनजाना साहस चुपचाप कहीं संजोया था। अब वक्त की पुकार है, जल उठे हर एक दिल, यही भारत का श्रृंगार। कौन है वो जिसकी गाथा बन गई भारत की पहचान। बिसरे वीर की अमर कहानी।
The stories that are rarely told proudly remembers as Bagha Jatin. Welcome to Bagha, the roar of freedom, a boy who wouldn't bow.
Every revolution has a beginning. Some begin with a speech, others with a sword.
Remember it carefully, because before the story ends, it will echo across the entire nation.
Hey Jatin. Hey Jatin. Enough practice for today. Come with us to the river. Everyone is gathering there.
Well, are you planning to become the strongest man in Bengal?
Strength isn't measured by muscles. It is measured by what you do with it.
Jatin, look there. Someone needs your strength more than your friends do.
Hey Jatin. Let someone else help him. He can manage.
But if I can make someone's burden lighter, why should I wait for someone else?
Bless you, son. Many are strong, but very few are kind.
What's the use of strength if you cannot protect and serve others?
That was Jatin. He never searched for opportunities to become a hero. He simply never ignored someone who needed his help. His courage didn't appear overnight. It was shaped by compassion, discipline, and an unshakable sense of justice.
Move aside. This road belongs to the British Crown. You there! Don't you hear me? Bab!
I only bow for my mother and my motherland.
How dare you! Don't you know who I am?
Yes, a man wearing power, not honor.
You'll regret this insolence.
Maybe, but I will never regret my self-respect.
The British walked away in anger.
But destiny had just smiled, because that fearless boy was about to face an enemy far more dangerous than the British.
An enemy with claws, razor-sharp teeth, and eyes that had terrified an entire village.
Think, the British were the biggest danger in his life. Not even close. Wait till you meet the tiger. Hello. Jatin, run! It's the Royal Bengal tiger.
Are you aware? It has killed 2 hunters already. Don't be foolish. No one fights a tiger and survives.
Exactly. That's why someone has to try.
Do you know what's scarier than a tiger? Knowing it's there, hearing its growl, and still choosing to walk towards it. No rifle, no army, no backup, just one dagger and unbelievable courage.
Did he kill a tiger?
No, today the tiger lost to a greater tiger. From today, you're Bagha Jatin. Bagha Jatin.
Strength can defeat an animal, but only wisdom can awaken a nation. Before Jatin decided to become a revolutionary, he sought guidance.
Swami, how do I serve India? With books, with prayers, or with weapons?
Because, listen, a weak man cannot protect his country. Strength is worship, fear is slavery. Serve religion, love your motherland, and when duty calls, don't come to cause.
I understand now. A nation doesn't need more spectators. It needs more fearless sons.
Go, Jatin. Be the strength that awakens sleeping hearts.
That blessing became a promise, and that promise became history. A tiger kills to survive, an empire kills to rule. The claws Jatin had defeated in the forest were nothing compared to the chains that now gripped his motherland.
He had stared into the eyes of a tiger and it blinked first. But now he faced an enemy that had stolen a nation's dignity. This was a battle where courage alone wouldn't be enough.
How much longer do we suffer? We have little patience. We have begged. We have pleaded. And what have they given us? More taxes, more prisons, more humiliation.
Every day another Indian is beaten. Every day another family loses hope. How long do we stay silent?
Silence is useful only before a storm. Now it's time they hear us.
But they have rifles, cannons and army. What do we have?
Something every empire fears. People who are no longer afraid.
History has proved it again and again. Empires don't collapse when they become weak. They collapse when ordinary people gather their strength and stop believing that they're invincible.
Then give the order. We will fight.
Not yet. A reckless revolution dies quickly. A prepared revolution changes history. We fight with discipline. We fight with unity.
Jatinda, young men from Kolkata, Nadia, Jaisol, they're asking to join us. Every day our numbers are growing.
How many? Stand with us now.
Hundreds today, thousands tomorrow.
Listen carefully. Never raise your weapons because you hate someone. Raise it only when you have no choice and only for justice. We are not fighting because we hate them.
They lit a fire that would spread across Bengal and inspire generations yet to come.
Listening and waiting.
The year was 1915. The world was burning in the flames of the First World War. While mighty nations fought one another, Jatin here saw an opportunity.
When your enemy is distracted, that's when you strike. Bagha Jatin wasn't just brave, he was brilliant. He thought of something that no nation had ever thought of before. A nationwide armed uprising.
If we fight alone, we will fall alone. But if every corner of India rises together, even the British Empire will tremble.
The arrangements are complete. Our friends in Germany have agreed to help us. Weapons are on the way. Thousands of rifles, ammunition. Enough to arm revolutionaries across Bengal.
Now, this could change everything.
No celebrations yet, my friend. A revolution is not won by hope. It is won by preparation. Stay alert, stay united, and trust no one blindly.
For the first time in history, freedom no longer felt like a dream. It suddenly felt very much possible.
There came a moment in our nation's struggle when silence
अपनी ज़मीन एक है अपना गगन एक है अपना जहां एक है अपना वतन अपने सभी सुख एक है अपने सभी गम एक है आवाज दो हम एक हैं हम एक हैं आवाज दो हम एक हैं हम एक हैं ये है हिमालय की जमीन जो अजंता की जमीन संगम हमारी आन है चित्तौड़ अपनी शान है गुलम
यमुना का तट गोकुल का वन, गंगा के धारे अपने हैं, ये सब हमारे अपने हैं। कह दो कोई दुश्मन नजर उठे न भूले से इधर, कह दो कि हम बेदार हैं, कह दो कि हम तैयार हैं। आवाज दो, आवाज दो, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। आवाज दो, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। उठो जवाना ने वतन बांधे हुए सर से कफन, उठो दक्कन की ओर से, गंगो जमन की ओर से। पंजाब के दिल से उठो, सतलुज के साहिल से उठो, महाराष्ट्र की खाक से, दिल्ली की अर्ज़े पाक से, बंगाल से, गुजरात से, कश्मीर के बागात से, नेपाल से, राजस्थान से, कुलखा के हिंदुस्तान से। आवाज दो, आवाज दो, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। आवाज दो, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम एक।
Traitors!
Traitor among us!
Years of planning have been gone in a moment. What do we do now?
This is the moment that defines a leader. Not when everything goes according to the plan, but when everything falls apart.
A weapon does not create courage, a man does. If destiny refuses to give us rifles, then we'll fight with our resolve. If they block one path, we'll carve another. And if they think they've ended our revolution with this betrayal, then they have just made us more dangerous.
Then we fight, all revolutionaries, for Mother India. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
The dream of grand uprising had been shattered, but not the spirit behind it. The British believed they had cornered a revolutionary, but what they didn't know was that a wounded lion is the most dangerous of all. And in a quiet place called Balasore, history was waiting. September 9, 1915, Balasore. 5 young men against nearly 100 armed British soldiers. Sounds impossible, isn't it? It was. That's why it created history.
Throw away your weapons. The empire offers mercy. Mercy from those who stole our freedom. Keep it. You'll all die. Then history will remember who stood and who surrendered. Good. Now nobody escapes.
Don't stop fighting. Tell my mother I smiled. One last breath.
I promise you won't be forgotten.
It's over.
For me, maybe. For India, never.
Sometimes even enemies stand in respect because courage has no nationality.
If one Jatin dies, 1,000 will rise. Tell them India must never kneel. Amra Mara Jabe, Aar Prithvi Jabe Ubbe. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
The British thought they had killed a revolutionary, but revolutions don't die with a single man.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
कुर्बानी जब घायल हुआ है माने, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धड़कन उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
जिस धरती ने हमें जन्म दिया, अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो हंसते हंसते उसी के लिए जान भी दे देंगे। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
जय हिंद।
What a truly spectacular and emotionally moving presentation. Every expression spoke of courage, every movement echoed sacrifices, and every scene rekindled the undying flame of patriotism in our hearts.
जय भारत, जय हिंदुस्तान,
जय हिंदुस्तान,
वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम।
लगना चाहिए हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस है। लगना चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चों में जो जोश है वो हमारे माता पिता में भी है, तभी इन बच्चों को लगेगा, क्योंकि है तो यही कल के निर्माता। लेकिन जब मैं कल बच्चों से स्कूल में बात कर रही थी तो मैं एक ही बात कह रही थी बार बार कि चरित्र निर्माण करिए। जब हम बाहर जाएं, किसी देश में जाएं, तो गर्व से कह सके, शर्म से नहीं, कि हम भारतीय हैं। वही बात मैं शायद, लेकिन जब मैं बच्चों से बहुत सारी मैंने इस तरह की बातें की कल, लेकिन जब मैं बच्चों से ये बात कर रही थी तब उस समय मुझे कहीं एक अपने अंदर झांकने का टाइम मिला। बोल नहीं पाई माइक पे, लेकिन मैं साथ साथ में अपने अंदर झांक रही थी। उस समय जब मैं झांक रही थी तो मैं ये सोच रही थी कि हम बच्चों को तो बोलते हैं चरित्र निर्माण करिए, क्योंकि जब चरित्र निर्माण आपका अपना होगा तभी शायद देश का चरित्र निर्माण होगा। मेरे अंदर है कि मैंने आप लोगों को सिर्फ दौड़ सिखाई, ठहर कर रुकना सोचना नहीं सिखाया। बहुत दुख हुआ अपने अंदर। बच्चों को मैंने बहुत भाषण दिया कल, मतलब उसके बाद मैं बहुत ज्यादा सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन में गई, बहुत सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन में गई। और शायद एज अ पेरेंट आज आप मेरे सामने जब बैठे हैं तो मैं आपसे भी यही सवाल पूछूंगी कि क्या आप अपने बच्चों को उसी रेस में दौड़ा रहे हैं जिस रेस में हमने आपको दौड़ाया? क्या हम उन्हें ये सिखा रहे हैं कि सबसे पहले मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ह्यूमन कैरेक्टर बनना? क्या हम सिखा पा रहे हैं कि ह्यूमन बीइंग बनना, एक इंसान बनना, वही तो ब्यूटी थी। अभी मैं ज्योत्सना मैम के साथ बैठी हुई यही बात कर रही थी, वो कि जो हिंदुस्तान है उसकी खूबसूरती यही है कि हम सबसे अलग हैं, सबको अपनाते गए, सब ये बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन साथ में हम अपने आप को भूलते गए। हमें बहुत जरूरत है कि हम अपने बच्चों को सिखाएं, समझाएं कि जब तक आपका टीचर्स अपना चरित्र निर्माण नहीं करेंगे, देश का चरित्र निर्माण नहीं हो सकता है। और सिर्फ उसको सेलिब्रेशन करके हम भूल जाएं, छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. No. Okay, so the craft work also, along with, of course, there's a help and a guidance of our teachers. I won't say play में भी teachers का काफी बड़ा रोल रहा. Slides, Nirmit has done. Nirmit, please come forward. Slides are done by Nirmit, and of course, efforts. मैं बहुत relaxed थी इस बार. It wasn't annual day. I was Mr. Manish, please. And Miss Neelam, she guided it 11th hour, Nirmit, with little changes. There were changes in slides, like, so she guided. If we can have Mrs. Neelam also. And like, lovely work. Okay, she's operating from there. Okay. So, great work done. In fact, Nirmit, I was thinking that you'll be there that side. I was surprised to see you on the stage. Okay, he has been there also and he's participated in. Okay, lovely. So, what I'm trying to say is a wonderful work with teachers' collaboration, of course. But majorly, I'm feeling dance की choreography she has done completely. Nobody else. अब अगर कोई टीचर रह गए तो मुझे नहीं पता, प्लीज. लक्ष्य सर आप भी आ जाइए, भाई अपने आप आ जाइए, जो भी आना है सामने आ जाइए. लक्ष्य सर आ जाइए, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली. सो मेरे पता है बाद में जाके मेरे लिए हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क हो जाता है, किस टीचर का मैंने नाम नहीं लिया, वो टीचर नाराज हो जाएगी मेरे से. और नाराज टीचर्स को तो कर नहीं सकते भैया, बहुत मुश्किल काम है. टीचर्स को नाराज कर दिया तो स्कूल कैसे चलेगा, है ना. सो लक्ष्य जी आप आ गए. होल टीम, lovely. Now thank you everyone. Thank you dear students. Beautifully danced. Everything was beautiful. The actors, the players, school.
सबके चेहरे नहीं आ पाएंगे, पीछे वालों को तो आएंगे.
They are the unsung heroes. Super proud of you my child. Super proud. बहुत बढ़िया आप लोग काम करते हैं छुप के पीछे से,
ऐसे मान ले पूरी क्लिक.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आप लोगों के बिना वैसे भी कोई काम नहीं हो सकता, है ना. मैम्स नहीं तो ले लेके स्टेज पे सामान लेकर आएंगे, मैम्स भागते भागते. सो लवली. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू से थैंक यू. स्पेशल थैंक्स टू मैम. And it is indeed a great pleasure because मैं जितनी भी conversation कर रही थी यहाँ बैठ के मैम के साथ, she's so filled with, वो कॉल कर लेती हूँ, और आज as a guest आई हुई हैं, retire हो चुके हैं मैम. And thank you to your in charges, Mrs. Sunana, Mr. Daniel, Dr. Ranjana, Mrs. Nupur, Mrs.